Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. Everyone is always want to be earn online money. Online earn money is a big question. So people are not believe how to be can earn online money. But nowadays number of Pakistan maximum people are joining frequently the Mêtã Fõrçe. Mêtã Fõrçe, this is a platform where you can be a where you can be a part and you can be earn the money. Especially this is a for the people who those are the students, and they can be in the short time they can be earn the money. And this is a very safe way. What is the your earning money is it will be a stay with the same. I will show you. So how to register with the official link. This is the link. Actually I'm a not representative of anyone, just I'm the helping to the people who are the actually interested to be know how we can be earn money. And the people maximum is the like I am also is believing that it is the fake things and not works, and it is the only time waste. But I am make you sure that this is actually a working thing, and people are very frequently joining this site. So we are going to be at this on. So this can be I show you the some things which you can be read this out, and I will put the description. I will put description in the this link, and you can be find this site. Okay. So now we are going here. I show you this is the international platform, and in the existing visions and marketing, it is a very big platform, and rest companies compared to this network is a marketing is a very easy, and this network is a marketing is a very hard working, and it's take very short time, and we can earn by this by this using by this site we can earn more money. Investment, it is a very easy. It is a dial coin through registrations, and starting with the $10, which is I guess make to be a Pakistani 1400. And this is a quite partial polygon is a investment fee, and this it is a not going to be any company. Okay, so you can earn by this one you can earn by this more money. And this is the what benefit. The big benefit of this company is that earning is the this money is not goes to the any owner. What people are then investing, it is just dividing to the people. Okay, so and what another benefit, this company is actually earning, and it's helping line to the downline team to who is the work by self and earn more money. And what we will get from this network marketing. So there is the some levels 1 to 10 12 levels. So as the levels will be increased and joining your raffle will be increased, and the first level like $5, $10, 20, 30, 20, 40, 80, 60, $300 for 640, 1000. So how much you will be do. So this will be directly goes to the member and open, and it is